If you're not digging the factory foot pegs that came equipped on your Can-Am Ryker, then you're going to want to check out our EvolutionR Series floorboards. These stylish boards measure in at 5 inches wide by 6.5 inches long and feature an anti-slip rubber platform that drastically reduces road vibration while providing your feet with maximum grip while riding. The boards mount up with the factory hardware and work flawlessly with the Ryker's factory adjustment mechanism to accommodate different leg lengths. If the factory adjustment isn't enough, each board also features a rotation system that allows you to fine-tune the angle of the boards to fit your particular comfort level. Without further ado, allow us to walk you through the installation process on one of our shop Rykers.
Before you begin, make sure that your bike is on level ground and that your parking brake is engaged. Starting on the right side of the bike, lift up on the foot peg to release the clamp tension. Then use a 6mm Allen wrench to remove the bolt holding in the foot peg, so that you can remove it from the bike. Add a dab of removable thread lock to the bolt that was just removed, as it will be reused. Next, grab the right side floorboard and angle it up slightly as you insert it into place. Once the mounting holes are in alignment, thread in the factory bolt finger tight to start, then tighten it down with a 6mm Allen wrench. Then push the floorboard down into position and use an 8mm Allen wrench to loosen this bolt here so that you can adjust the board angle as needed. It's important to select an angle that provides you with quick and unobstructed access to the brake pedal. We'd recommend sitting in the riding position to test that. Once you're happy with the position of the board, use an 8mm Allen wrench to snug down the mounting bolt. Moving on to the left side of the bike, lift up on the foot peg to release the clamp tension. Then use a 6mm Allen wrench to remove the bolt holding the foot peg in place. Add a dab of removable thread lock to the factory bolt. Grab the left side floorboard and angle it up slightly as you insert it into place. Then thread in the factory bolt finger tight to start, then snug it down with a 6mm Allen wrench. And then push the board down into position. Be sure to adjust the angle of the board so that it matches the floorboard on the right side of the bike, then snug down the mounting bolt with an 8mm Allen wrench.
If adding both style and comfort to your Ryker is on your mod list, head over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab a set of floorboards for your bike. Feel free to like and subscribe to stay up to date with everything Ryker. I'm Jen and we'll see you out on the road.